Hi everyone! Today I brought this really unique bracelet. It's adjustable. It's also gold plated. So it's adjustable like this. You can extend it and make it smaller. And this is stainless steel wire from here. It comes in many different colors, but it's really nice. Look at this. And then you can make it smaller like this from here. It's very casual, very nice. I really like it. And look at this. It's very sturdy and brings the attention to everyone who sees it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.